Hey, hey, what time is it? It's time for Vinny Vic Show, okay? Give it up for the man of the hour. He's gonna give you some great time tonight. He's the world famous guy. He's very funny than all you people. So give it up for the man in white. Maybe he's not funny, but he's very cool. So give it up for the man of the hour, Vinny Fix. Thank you, and thank you. Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Vinny Figs Show. I'm your host, Vinny Figs. Tonight is a very special day. Well, have you guys? Well, tonight you guys are gonna like the jokes. It's comedy night, Saturday night, so comedy night is the way to be. You know what I mean? So, do you guys like? Do you guys like sports? I do. I love sports. Did you ever know that sports can either lead to like jokes that can be funny? Well, especially like baseball or basketball and all that. Well, here are some jokes. To start off the night, I did some jokes about sports. So here it is. Here's one. Why doesn't Australia have any cheerleaders? Give up? You can get this. Okay. Because they stick to the floor when they do the splits. Here's another one. Did you hear the new penalty for speeding in Illinois? On the first offense, they give you Bears tickets, and on the second offense, they make you use them. Here's another one. Why did the chicken cross the basketball court? He heard the ref was blowing fouls. Okay, not this one. Not good. Okay. That's all I got. Those were kind of the jokes that are appropriate for this. The others are inappropriate, and I don't want to talk about it. You probably understand what it means, but hey, that's all I mean. So how was your week? Good? Mine was okay. School went good. Been studying lately for tests on Monday, but hey, it's okay. I like studying. It's not that bad. I just recently watched LSU losing the Georgia Bulldogs 44-41. Very good game. I see Aaron Murray being a Hall of Fame in the NFL someday. I think that can happen. So, you guys want some more jokes? Well, I'd be glad to give you some. Why don't we start with the classics, shall we? Your mama's so fat when she was a baby, she took a bath with a rubber albatross. Okay. Here's one. An elderly husband and wife visit their doctor, where they begin forgetting little things. Their doctor tells them that many people find it useful to write themselves little notes. When they get home, the wife says, "Dear, will you please go to the kitchen and get me a dish of ice? And maybe write that down so you won't forget." "Nonsense," says the husband. "I can remember a dish of ice cream." "Well," says the wife, "I'd also like some strawberries with cream on it." "My memory's not all that bad," says the husband. "No problem. A dish of ice cream with strawberries and whipped cream. I don't need to write it down. He goes into the kitchen. His wife hears pots and pans banging around. The husband finally emerges from the kitchen and presents his wife with a plate of bacon and eggs. She looks at the plate and asks, "Hey, where's the toast I asked for?" Very funny, right? Here's another one. Why did the ants dance on a jam for jar? The lid said, "Twist to open." Not that. Oh. What the? Here we go. Knock knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock knock. Who's there? Banana. Banana who? Knock knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange you. Aren't you glad I didn't say banana? Now, let me... Now, do you guys like birds? I do too. I like the robin. Well, here are some jokes. When should you buy a bird? When it's going cheap. Did you hear the one about the crow and the telephone pole? He wanted to make a long distance call. What is green and pecks on trees? Woody the Woodpecker. There was a rooster sitting on top of a barn. If it laid an egg, which way would it roll? Roosters don't lay eggs. Why did the bird get a ticket? It broke the law of gravity. What do you call a chicken in the 1960s? A funky chicken. Why do seagulls fly over the sea? Because if they flew over the bay, they'll be bagels. How do you catch a unique bird? Unique up on it. How do you catch a tame bird? The tame way. Unique up on it. So those were types of jokes that I founded, that I created. Well, have a good night and have a good weekend.